Curiosity Software's approach to testing is simple and comprehensive. Imagine you're building a house. A range of stakeholders with different expertise collaborate to build the perfect house. A homeowner sketches a rough vision, an architect and interior designer specify the functional layout. Plumbers and electricians add the wiring and plumbing to make the house work. The end result of these sketches, a perfect house that meets all the homeowner's requirements and any industry safety standards. Now think about different stakeholders across your software delivery lifecycle. Imagine if they could also pool skills to agree a vision, creating code, tests and data from one place. This is the power of model-based testing and development. With Test Modeler, cross-functional teams collaborate seamlessly from flowchart models, generating the perfect test cases, designs, test automation and data in sprint. Business analysts create dynamic requirements models using a range of accelerators, including a revolutionary web-based scanner, requirements importers, Gherkin connectors, and more. Automation engineers do the plumbing and wiring. They configure reusable code to bring the models to life. Developers and testers can then generate the perfect set of test cases and scripts in a single click. These come equipped with complete test data and are executed using existing automation frameworks and CI/CD pipelines. So what happens when you start modeling? With a powerful test generation engine, customizable scripting algorithms, and test maintenance accelerators, our clients have experienced a 94% reduction in test case design time, a 96% reduction in test scripting time, and a 90% reduction in test maintenance time. Meanwhile, collaborating from unambiguous requirements models minimizes miscommunication, delivering accurately built, fully tested software in sprint. Sounds good, right? Visit testmodeler.io to get started today. Test Modeler. Collaborate, communicate, automate.